Hello and welcome back, Glow Babies, Glow Beauties. Here I am unboxing January's base box of this year, and let's get to it. So first thing is Wonder Beauty Escape eyeshadow palette, which retails for $42. I have a little tiny sample or smaller version of it, so I'm excited to play with these new colors, and this is how that looks. So as I try to figure out what look or color I'm gonna go in, first I decided to go in with Nude Beach, and I am just going to use that as my transition color, and then I went in with the dark brown, which is the Overnight, and that one I used as the outer corner of my eyelids, as I'm still trying to figure out here what color and what look to go with. Then I went in with Sea Glass and I used that on my lid. So then I went with Daydream for my brow bone, but I decided that was too sparkly, so I changed it to Moonlight, and I used that on my brow bone and also on my inner corner. So this next thing was Dermalict Cosme, which this is an eyelid and dark circles corrector, and this retails for $59. This is how it looks. It's just a little tube with a nice applicator. I've always liked these applicators because apparently the material that they're made out of helps the situation. So the next thing here is Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade plus the brush in 7B. It's a dual-ended angle brush set, and this retails for $39. It's always nice when they include a tool to be able to use what was sent. So this next item is from Context Skin, and it's matte lipstick. This retails for $20. I'm not too sure in what category this lands, if it's a high end or low end, but I'm not per se a fan of that brand, and I didn't really like that nude color either. It could have been better. So this last item I really like. It's from Araceli's Beauty, and it's Bella Sponge Duo. The price retails for $24, and that's definitely I would probably buy again. I like how it feels. It's nice and squishy, and you don't even have to wet it. I didn't wet it, but of course you could always just wet it together. I would say Araceli's was my favorite product here, and then Wonder and Anastasia. But that is it for today's. There's the final look, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you for staying tuned. Have a great day, night, evening, whatever. See you next time.